Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in another vlog video. Today I thought to pick up my camera because there are certain few reasons why I want to do it. The first reason is, if you don't know guys, I recently bought my Redmi Mi Note 5 Pro, which is I think the most hyped and the most wanted phone in a low budget. So I really wanted to try out the camera settings and the camera quality. Also, I need your help guys. Let me know in the comment section below at the end of the video how was the quality, whether you like the quality or not. As of now, I'm sitting in a room with only one tube light. There is no other lights in the room. It's quite a dark room, you can say, because it's quite a small room, so lighting is not that enough basically. But still, whatever I'm capturing is just from a one tube light. So this was my reason to vlog today. And also guys, today I am visiting Chandigarh. There are a few markets and there are a few cafes and there are a few things which I am willing to explore with you guys. So I really wanted to take you along with me. I just woke up. As of now the time is 8 a.m. We just woke up. So today is Sunday. We both are on chutti, so we thought to make this day constructive. So yeah, I really wanted to do this. So as of now, I'll proceed. I'll first make my bed, then I'll freshen up and do my other daily chore, and then we'll move toward breakfast, and then we will leave. Then I'll take you along with me guys. So then you guys, you take care and I'll keep you updated.
We're 1,000 miles away from the nearest city. There's no lights, all dark, but no matter what, you choose to stay here with me. Can you hear that? Our life soundtrack, the love we never had. Just need to let go, give in to the glow. So I say run, I run so we can get lost together. Run to where we belong. Oh, where we belong.
Alright guys, so all set and ready. You can see I'm ready with the minimal makeup. I hope you saw the lipper I used is from Blue Heaven. That was in the shade Morange. And yeah, minimal of makeup, kajal, some brows. The same kajal I have used in my brows with the very little and light strokes. So yeah, we are all set. Now let's move.
We're 1,000 miles away from the nearest city. There's no lights, all dark, but no matter what.
Alright guys, so we came into Mohali. My husband wants to meet somebody, so I'll be going with him, but I'll be waiting in the reception area. So yeah, we don't have any other thing to do than to wait. So let's see. So guys, now we are going to explore another new place of Chandigarh, which is Books Cafe. I am going to make a separate video of that. You can make sure you go and watch that too, because in vlog I'll be just showing small portions of that cafe only. So yeah, let's see how this will turn out. I'm really excited to try out a new place and to explore that new cafe, because I think it will be an interesting place to visit for a bookish person who loves to read and to have a cup of coffee and sit relax. So I think it will turn out to be a good place. So let's see. I'm hoping for the best.
To where we belong. Oh, where we belong. Oh, where we belong. We're 1,000 miles away from the nearest city. There's no lights, all dark, but no matter what, you choose to stay here with me. Can you hear that? Our life soundtrack, the love we never had. So let go, give in to the glow. So I say run, I run so we can get lost together.
Okay guys, now we are going to sector 15, which is Patel market. I want to buy some summer t-shirts and summer shorts, so I think that is the best place. Also, I have to meet my sister-in-law over there, so that was the nearest place. So I thought to buy some stuff from there. Before that, we stopped here at the shop Talwars. They offer the best shakes. In case if you stay nearby, let me tell you guys, Talwars, which is in sector 15 near Patel Nagar, for you the best shakes to have. And we stopped in between to grab that one for ourselves. Let me just show you that place. Give me a minute. Okay guys, I hope you can see this says Talwar. This is how the shop look like. It's like a very small shop, not a big shop, but they offer the best shake as per us. So we stopped here to grab one for ourselves.
We're 1,000 miles away. We're 1,000 miles away. So I say run, I run so we can get lost together. Run to where we belong. Oh, where we belong.